Ready to turn your dull Google Docs into interactive masterpieces? Hi everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial on hyperlinking in Google Docs, making your documents more engaging and user-friendly. First, select the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. In this example, we'll select the word here. Next, look up at the toolbar and click the Insert Link icon. It looks like a little chain link. A small box will pop up in the link field. Type or paste the URL you want to connect to your selected text. For example, you could paste your company website address. Once you've pasted your URL, click the Apply button. Voila! Your text is now a clickable link. When someone clicks on it, it will take them directly to the website you specified. But hyperlinks aren't just for text. You can also hyperlink images. Select the image you want to link. Again, click the Insert Link icon in the toolbar. Just like before, enter the desired URL in the link field and click Apply. Now, clicking the image will take the user to the website you linked. You can even link to other sections within your document. Use the Headings and Bookmarks option within the Insert Link box to connect your table of contents to specific sections. And that's it. You've mastered hyperlinking in Google Docs. Now go forth and create interactive and informative documents. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Docs tips and tricks.